future of the smart home is a home that works for you. Introducing Imprint Link technology from iRobot, a breakthrough in cleaning automation that allows our robot vacuums and mops to work better together. It couldn't be simpler. Just tell Roomba S9 and Braava Jet M6 robots which rooms to clean. When Roomba S9 finishes vacuuming, it automatically signals Braava Jet M6 to start mopping. Imprint technology gets our robots speaking the same language, so they can learn, map, and clean your floors. Delivering advanced technology to create a home that takes care of itself.